Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about new topic, email. Now first question arises that what is an email? In earlier days we used to send the letters to the other person by using postal services. So it takes many days to reach to that person. Suppose I want to send a letter to my friend who is living in other city of India, and I use postal service to send my letter. As I am using postal services, it takes many days to deliver that letter to my friend. But now with the advancement of technology and with invention of internet, we can send that letter to the other person just within a few seconds. How it's made possible? It is possible because of one service or one tool that is called email. Now, email is a short for electronic mail. The full name is electronic mail. An email is a letter that is sent over computer network, or we can say that internet, instead of being sent through post. With the email, you can attach documents, photos as well. While sending letter by using email service, you can attach your photos, mails, your other documents as well with the email. Now sending and receiving a mail, it's very simple and easy task, or it's very easy way, but you just need only two things if you want to send a message or a letter to the other person. First is internet connection, and the second is your email account on email's website. For example, we are having different websites, email websites like Gmail, yahoomail.com, rediffmail.com. What we have to do is that you just have to create your account, your profile on the websites, and by using internet, after creating a web account on the website by using internet, you can send the mail to the other person directly. Now the next is some of the advantages of email. As it is a written means of communication, you can write down your message and then send to the other person. With the written message also, you can send picture and file as well. It is a faster way to send the message. Like, I compose one message, as I click on send button, just in few seconds, just in 5 or 2 seconds, that message will reach or will be delivered to the other person. It is a quick and simple method. Email can be sent across the world, and email is accessible from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. I am sitting here in Hoshiarpur in India. One of my friend is living in America. I want to send a mail to my friend who is living in America. Just we need his internet connection. Compose your message, type the address of your friend's account, then just in the few seconds the message will reach to your friend who is living in the other country. Next is email is a free tool. Once you are online, there is no further expensive that you need to spend on in order to send or receive messages. Just we need internet and your email account. If we have these two, no other expensive will be there when you want to send the mail to the other person. Next topic is email address. Now what is an email address? Let's take example of your home address. Every one of you is having home address, and I'm sure that every one of you is having different home address. No two students have same home address. if you two have a same home address, it will be very difficult for me to reach your home. So everyone in this world is having different addresses so that we can identify the person easily. Similarly, in that way, while sending a mail to the other person, we have to mention their email address. Now, what is the meaning of email addresses here? Suppose I compose a message and I do not specify to whom I want to send the mail, then I'm not be able to send the mail to the other person. When you click on send, your message will not be sent, it will reach nobody. So that is why while composing, after creating your account, while composing mail, you need to specify the address or the email address of the person to whom you want to send the mail. Like here I mention a one example. Let us take an example of one email address. Let's take ritika.chopra1293@gmail.com. This is email address. While you are composing mail, you want to send your mail to this address, then you have to specify this address, that to this person who's having this email address, I want to send the mail to this person. Now this above mentioned address is of Gmail account. Like I already told you, there are different websites which provide us email services. Now this is email address of Gmail website. How we can identify it? This email address is divided into two parts. First part is username, second part is domain name. In between username and domain name, in between, in the middle, we have @ sign. This is your @ sign. Before the @ sign, whatever text will be there, this is called username. Mostly it is a name of the person whom email account is this, and this is called domain name. It specifies the website name on which the person is having account. So this is all about your email address, how it works, how many parts it have, and why it is compulsory for us. So for this lesson we have to cover this much topic. Next we are going to cover your next topic, how to create email account or parts or elements of email. For now only this much. Please listen to this video carefully and try to understand the topics. Thank you.